Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This dictation is specially prepared for steno aspirants and candidates appearing for the senior scale stenographer examination. The speed of this passage is 100 words per minute. Get your notebooks ready, sit comfortably, maintain proper posture and focus on accuracy along with speed. We will begin in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Before the family court, a petition seeking dissolution of marriage by decree of divorce was listed along with applications concerning child custody, interim maintenance, and residence rights. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the marriage had irretrievably broken down due to prolonged separation, repeated disputes, and allegations of mental cruelty. Full stop. It was contended that attempts at reconciliation through counseling and mediation had failed, leaving no possibility of restoration of marital harmony. Full stop. Counsel for the respondent opposed the divorce petition and argued that allegations of cruelty were exaggerated and unsupported by independent evidence. Full stop. It was submitted that disagreements between spouses were part of ordinary marital life and did not constitute grounds for dissolution. Full stop. The respondent further alleged that the petitioner had voluntarily left the matrimonial home without reasonable cause and had attempted to alienate the child from the respondent parent. Full stop. During preliminary hearings, the court directed both parties to participate in mediation sessions conducted by trained counselors. Full stop. Reports submitted by mediators indicated deep emotional differences and communication breakdown between the parties. Full stop. Stanza. Although certain issues regarding visitation schedules and temporary financial arrangements were resolved through mediation, core disputes relating to custody and long-term maintenance remained unresolved, requiring judicial intervention. Full stop. The petitioner sought sole custody of the minor child, emphasizing stability of living arrangements, educational continuity, and emotional attachment between parent and child. Full stop. School records, medical reports, and testimonials from teachers were produced to demonstrate active involvement in daily upbringing. Full stop. The respondent requested joint custody or alternatively expanded visitation rights, arguing that continued parental involvement was essential for balanced emotional development of the child. Full stop. The court interacted with the minor child in chambers to assess preferences, emotional well-being, and relationship with both parents. Full stop. Care was taken to avoid placing undue pressure or forcing the child to make legal determinations. Full stop. Observations recorded by the court highlighted the child's comfort with both parents while expressing desire for stability in schooling and social environment. Full stop. The court reiterated that welfare of the child remained the paramount consideration, overriding personal disputes between adults. Full stop. Arguments were advanced regarding interim maintenance and financial support for the child's education, healthcare, and daily needs. Full stop. The petitioner produced income statements and financial disclosures showing disparity in earning capacity between spouses. Full stop. The respondent questioned accuracy of financial claims and alleged concealment of assets by the petitioner. Full stop. Stanza. The court directed both parties to file comprehensive affidavits of assets, liabilities, and monthly expenditures to ensure transparency in determining maintenance obligations. Full stop. Allegations of domestic discord were examined through testimony of family members and neighbors who described instances of verbal conflict and emotional stress within the household. Full stop. Defense counsel objected to certain statements as hearsay lacking direct observation, full stop. The court allowed limited testimony for contextual understanding while emphasizing need for corroboration through independent evidence, full stop. Medical records and counseling reports were also considered to evaluate psychological impact of prolonged disputes, full stop. The petitioner requested exclusive residence rights in the shared matrimonial home until final adjudication, arguing that relocation would disrupt the child's education and social support network, full stop. The respondent proposed alternative accommodation arrangements and expressed willingness to contribute financially toward rental expenses, full stop.